A T-Rex ruled the Earth for millions of years until today, because today, its biggest enemy isn't another dinosaur, it's an ant. Let's be fair, we aren't talking about a baby dinosaur, we're talking about the king of dinosaurs, a fully grown Tyrannosaurus Rex. So, let's send in one ant. Congratulations, you just found the biggest buffet in history. Unfortunately, you're eating alone. One ant doesn't stand a chance, so how many will it take? Okay, let's help him. 100 ants. Surely that's enough, right? Nope. It barely looks different. If 100 ants can't even make a dent, then how many do we actually need? Fine, forget hundreds. Let's try 10,000 ants. Now we're finally seeing some progress, tiny bites, tiny teamwork, but the T-Rex is still winning. If even 10,000 ants can't do it, what happens when we reach 1,000,000? So we kept going. 100,000 ants, then 1,000,000, and suddenly something incredible happened. The dinosaur started disappearing. But here's the crazy part. They still weren't finished. But how many ants would it actually take? Well, an average worker ant can carry away roughly 5 milligrams of food. A dead T-Rex weighs around 8 million grams. So the math says there's just one problem. They aren't taking turns, or they're all eating at the same time, which means the final number is absolutely insane. The answer is around 40 million ants working together. They could strip a dead T-Rex down to its skeleton in just a few days. Tiny creatures, massive teamwork, and that's why ants might be nature's greatest cleanup crew, or maybe. We should never underestimate ants again. Follow our channel for more such videos.